आप देख रहे हैं 24/7 मेवाड़ न्यूज। मेवाड़ यूनिवर्सिटी गंगराज में चल रहा है टेक फेस्ट। टेक फेस्ट मीन्स टेक्निकल इवेंट्स का मेला, जहां विद्यार्थियों ने बढ़ चढ़कर हिस्सा लिया और अपनी कलाओं और शैली का रंग बिखेरा। पिछले 4 दिनों से चल रहे इस टेक फेस्ट के दौरान कई प्रतियोगिताएं हुई, जिसमें विद्यार्थियों और अध्यापकों ने मिलकर पूरे टेक फेस्ट को 4 चांद लगा दिए। इस टेक फेस्ट के दौरान 2.5 लाख रुपए के विनिंग प्राइजेस स्टूडेंट्स को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किए जाएंगे।
नमस्कार दर्शकों, तो आज हम लोग खड़े हैं मेवाड़ यूनिवर्सिटी में और आज तारीख है 11 दिसंबर। जी हाँ, आज ये वही दिन है जिसका इस यूनिवर्सिटी को बेसब्री से इंतजार था। आज होने जा रहा है टेक्नो फेस्ट मेवाड़ यूनिवर्सिटी के अंदर, जिसका नाम रखा गया है टेक्नो ज़ील 2023। इस टेक फेस्ट में मिलेंगे आपको लगभग 30 से ज्यादा इवेंट, टेक्निकल, नॉन टेक्निकल। 8000 से ज्यादा पार्टिसिपेशन यहाँ पर होने जा रहा है दर्शकों। 8000 स्टूडेंट इसमें अपनी कलाएं दिखाएंगे। टेक्निकल फील्ड में, नॉन टेक्निकल फील्ड में बहुत सारे इवेंट्स यहाँ पर होने जा रहे हैं। लाइक रोबो वॉर यहाँ पर होगा, सिविल ब्रांच के लिए आर्किटेक्चर होगा, मैनेजमेंट्स के लिए मैनेजमेंट के क्विज होंगे। बहुत सारे इवेंट्स यहाँ पर होने जा रहे हैं दर्शकों। और सबसे बेहतरीन बात यह है कि इन सबको कवर करने के लिए बनाया गया है एक न्यूज़ 24/7 मेवाड़ यूनिवर्सिटी के अंदर, और जिसमें हम लोग यहाँ पर करने जा रहे हैं एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन इस पूरे इवेंट का कवरेज हम लोग आपको दिखाएंगे।
आपको टेक्नोज़ील से रूबरू कराने से पहले जानते हैं मेवाड़ यूनिवर्सिटी के टॉप मैनेजमेंट के द्वारा विद्यार्थियों को दी गई बधाइयां और उनके विचार।
So what are your views on the students' participation and their performance?
Students are participating enthusiastically in a large number. It's very good. It's good for their mental as well as the physical health also. These actually all events God teach them for the competition, prepare them for competition, and when they participate, they know the rules of games and sports.
Yes, sir.
That comes in the discipline also.
Yes.
It's very essential to keep the students in the discipline and game competition. So games and sports are part of that.
Yes. So you were there last year also, so you saw the performance. How would you compare the last year's Tech Fest?
It is much better than last year.
Yes, sir.
Every year it is increasing.
Yes.
Actually, in initial stage it was not so good.
Yes, sir.
Now we are improving every year.
Yes, sir.
Hope that next year again.
फेस्ट हुआ टेक्नोज़ील, आपने भी देखा बच्चों की परफॉर्मेंस देखी, आपको कैसा लगा, क्या फील करता था इसके बारे में?
As compared to the last year, better than last year.
So this year we saw a change. So last year all the management was handled by the students. So this year
This year
delegated
also handled by the students.
Sir, this year it was delegated to the teachers and then to the student coordinator.
Yes.
Sir, was there any improvement with this?
Definitely, it's a improvement in the sense of manage all the things in a proper way.
Yes.
Before time, we have conclude all the activities before the starting of the event.
So are you overall satisfied compared to last year, this year's Tech Fest? As a
Yes,
gone
yes,
with
100%.
your expectations? Yes.
Above than expectation.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. आप इस हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी को बोल रहे हैं, आप पूरा आपने इस बार का टेक फेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी जो आपने पूरा घूमा देखा, तो आपको कैसे लगा बच्चों का परफॉर्मेंस इस बार?
अच्छा लगा हमको, और सारे बच्चे, सारे फैकल्टी सबने अच्छा सहयोग किया। अच्छा प्रोग्राम
सर, लास्ट ईयर के मुकाबले आप कैसा कहेंगे, क्या काफ़ी इम्प्रूवमेंट हुई है इस बार?
हाँ, लास्ट ईयर
सर, आप सेटिस्फाइड हैं इस बार?
प्रोग्राम में किसी बच्चे को दिक्कत नहीं हुई।
सारी उम्मीद करेंगे
इससे भी अच्छा होगा और जो भी हमारी तरफ से जो सहयोग चाहिए होगा।
So this year we have Technozy, our technical cultural fest. So you saw the events, the participants. So what do you think? What are your expectations from this year?
Actually, Tech Fest of any university is the backbone.
Yes.
They are very important events of a student's life. Actually, this not only gives them an opportunity, but also a platform to excel and perform. Honorable Chancellor Sir wanted actually that every student should participate in all the activities. If not, then at least one of the activities, whether that is sports, games, cultural activities or the Tech Fest. for the technical activities. Actually, for the holistic development of a student, actually this is very essential. Good
afternoon, sir. Sir, you saw this year's Technology, sir. What are your views on this participation of students in the performance?
It's a wonderful platform for the students, especially the technical background students. For them, this is a platform to learn and to display their skills.
And so you are in charge of the placement sales. What do you think of the significance of such an event, technical cultural fest?
It has a phenomenal impact on the overall development of the students. Once they will be doing some technical activities apart of their studies, they will come to know, they will get more confident. And these credentials will work out when they will go for a placement.
So sir, have you seen events? Any events?
Some of the events.
Are you satisfied?
Yes. Good initiative.
Thank you. It is this year technology. So how was the response of the students and the participation? How do you feel, sir?
Definitely a warm welcome was there.
Yes.
There was a lot of association with the students, lot of participants as compared to last year. It was very healthy and latest techniques were shown by the boys and general appreciation was all over.
Sir, compared to last year, how do you think this year how did we fare?
Definitely you had done a great job. You had worked hard. The students had definitely put in their best intellectual efforts which they could put in. The output is in front of everybody. It is a great show, a grand finale.
So, sir, what would you say? Are you satisfied overall with this year's?
We require definitely a satisfaction feeling is there,
yes.
But it requires a lot of more hard work to make it to the top level of the university level.
Yes, sir. We hope it gets better, sir, every year.
I wish you all the best and start working hard right from today. You can achieve the target.
Yes. Thank you very much. For this year's Technology Fest. So, what are your views for this year's participation of students, their performances?
In compared to last year, participants and students participants and the faculty members to coordinate करके इसको, I think बहुत अच्छा perform किया. We have number of events at this year and near about more than 30 or 80 students participates in each event. Or approx 1500 students totally participated in all activities. We have arranged 2 workshops here. First one arranged by the Department of Electronics. They have gathered 120 students in that particular workshop, as well as the electrical department again organized a workshop on recent trends in developing the devices.
और आज की जानकारी दोनों इवेंट्स के बारे में आपका क्या है?
स्पोर्ट्स में कहना चाहूँगा कि इस यूनिवर्सिटी के स्टूडेंट्स ने जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं उसमें से लगभग 1000 और 1500 स्टूडेंट्स ने पार्टिसिपेट किया, क्योंकि बहुत ही बड़ा नंबर है किसी भी यूनिवर्सिटी के अंदर स्टूडेंट्स को पार्टिसिपेशन के लिए। सबसे बड़ा नंबर शायद मेरे हिसाब से होगा कि 1500 स्टूडेंट इस यूनिवर्सिटी के पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं। तो इसमें देयर आर सेवरल इवेंट्स। इसमें एथलेटिक्स के इवेंट्स थे, इसमें लॉन्ग जंप था, हाई जंप था, 100 मीटर 200 मीटर रेस थी, रिले रेसेस थी, इस तरह से एथलेटिक के इवेंट्स थे। डिस्कस थ्रो बॉयज़ गर्ल्स दोनों के लिए था। फिर इसके अलावा कुछ सिंगल इवेंट्स के अंदर हमारे पास में बैडमिंटन हो गया, चेस हो गया, टेबल टेनिस हो गया, ये कुछ हमने सिंगल इवेंट्स रखे थे। और फिर टीम इवेंट्स के अंदर क्रिकेट, वॉलीबॉल, फुटबॉल, बास्केटबॉल, टग ऑफ वॉर, इस तरह से 5-6 गेम्स। लगभग सभी डिपार्टमेंट की स्टूडेंट्स ने बहुत ही अच्छे तरह से पार्टिसिपेट किया इसमें। रिजल्ट भी हमारे पास में आ चुके हैं सभी को।
This is Technology Cultural Festival. Yes. How do you feel of the students' performance? How did it?
Students are performing very well. In fact, it is out of the expectation that during the exam tenure, students have participated, and in fact, they have given their best.
We saw influx of students from Jammu Kashmir from last year and this year. How was their involvement?
They are totally involved in all those activities, whether it is dance competition or we can say like technical events, sports activities. They are literally, I can say that they are very good in all those activities, and they are trying to learn, and they are performing very good.
Were there any more events added this year?
Yes, some more events have been added, like face painting. It was not included last year, and this was included because we are already having technical events. We are having poster mania and those types of activities. That's why this year we have added this one more activity in our cultural events.
So are you overall satisfied with the general trend in people have taken part in this? How do you feel?
Actually, it's the first time in Mewar University any such type of competition is going to happen. Face painting, पेपर पे बहुत देखा होगा, कैनवस पे बहुत देखा होगा, फेस पे फर्स्ट टाइम है, स्टूडेंट्स के लिए भी फर्स्ट टाइम है, तो बड़ा एक्साइटमेंट दिख रहा है. ऑल्दो थोड़ा स्ट्रेंथ कम है, हार्डली 19 स्टूडेंट्स है, बट आई गेस जो क्राउड है उसके हिसाब से हमें नेक्स्ट टाइम अच्छा मिलेगा. डेफिनेटली द थीम ऑफ द इवेंट इज इंडिया टुडे. व्हाट कंडीशन यू थिंक प्रेजेंट इंडिया इज हैविंग?
So ma'am, have you ever been a part of such an experience?
Exactly. I have been during my college days. I used to be for that, and I am actually a gold medalist in painting in All India level during my schooling. That's why I'm going.
Taking care of all these things, they are working very hard. It's very good. And from my point of view, all the events which are taking place, they are all very good.
Sir, just now we saw Rangoli.
Yeah, that's very good. Very good.
मैम, आप थी रंगोली में, आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं? बच्चों ने कैसा किया?
रंगोली में सारे स्टूडेंट्स जिन्होंने भी पार्टिसिपेट किया है उन्होंने अपनी फीलिंग्स को उसमें प्रेजेंट किया है, और लुकिंग वाइज डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज जिसमें कलर्स भी हैं और अदर टाइप्स ऑफ डिज़ाइन थीम्स उन्होंने जो भी लिया है उसको प्रेजेंट करने की कोशिश किया है.
हम एक दाल और उससे बनाई थी, पल्सेस से बनाए थे, तो वो आपको वो काफ़ी अच्छा लगा.
वेरी नाइस, क्योंकि उसमें कोई ऐसा अनाज खराब होने वाली बात नहीं है, क्योंकि उसको आप वापस यूज़ कर सकते हैं. उसका तो रीयूज़ वाला मटीरियल है. देन अगर कोई ऐसा मटीरियल होता है जिसका आप यूज़ नहीं कर सकते तो हम उसको फिट आउट क्लास में.
Students, this Tech Fest is so beneficial for the students that definitely they will be motivated and they will increase their personality skills. You know, technical skills are important as they are the hard skills, you can say, but along with that soft skills are very important, and these programs are indeed a part of soft skills. 85% is soft skills and only 15% in the hard skills. So if you are not much in your hard skills, but if you have a very powerful soft skills, you can become a good a persona which is quite attractive, है ना. हम क्या करते हैं, हम किसी से भी मिलते हैं, the one thing is that people see is that your पॉजिटिव आउटलुक, है ना, वो आपकी सेंटेंसेस में बता देता है या आपके वर्ड्स में बता देता है ना. तो आपका स्माइल, मेरा तो पहला मोटिव यही रहता है, आपका स्माइल दैट definitely is the first and foremost thing which you need to put upon your face, and that defines your positive outlook, or you can say the sanguinity of the mind, that is the positivity. That was the thing.
Ma'am, from last year we are seeing a huge influx of Jammu and Kashmir and students from Bihar. Ma'am, so we are also seeing their participation in these events. So how was their participation in the culture?
Actually, I saw a great number of students who participated in these events, and the Kashmiri boys, they are just very good at dancing, and I saw their performances in Dance to the Tune, and they are just awesome. So I feel that they also got a great platform to perform and to show their talent in front of us, and this increase in their friendship with everyone who is sitting in front. And
so what do you feel about this? What is the concept, basic concept?
Basic concept in this poster we are showing is that we should firstly eradicate the root of the problem. That is the growth of the tobacco. If we eradicate it from the root, then there won't be any tobacco to be free from India. That's the basic concept of our chart. Here we are showing that we take oath to no tobacco. If we will not grow tobacco, then what else we can do? That's the grain, the food we eat. That's the basic thing. So we should focus on that rather on growing tobacco.
So have you ever taken any personal initiative to stop a person from smoking cigarettes or tobacco?
I have told many of my friends that they should stop smoking or drinking, whatever they do, and I have never tried it. So that's my feeling that if I won't go further in that, so I can stop others. So has it ever taken effect?
Allah आवाजा आवे खुली फकीर दे विचों अल्लाह आवाजा आवे खुली फकीर दे विचों अल्लाह आवाजा आवे खुली फकीर दे विचों खुली फकीर दे विचों खुली फकीर दे विचों
दरिया पे चली थी, वंदन करो उस माँ को जो हर माँ से बड़ी थी, वंदन करो उस माँ को जो हर माँ से बड़ी थी।
बड़ी दुर्घटना है, मुश्किल बचना है।
मनिका शेरावत, आप इतनी कंट्रोवर्सी में क्यों रहती हैं हमेशा?
आपको पता है मैं बहुत ही खोट हूँ। आपको पता है इंडिया में ये सब लीगल नहीं है, इसलिए अगर मैं कुछ थोड़ा सा भी एक्ट करती हूँ तो उसका बहुत रिएक्ट आता है। आपने मूवी देखी इमरान हाशमी के साथ मर्डर, तो उसके बाद इसलिए अगर मैं काम भी सही तरीके से करती हूँ फिर भी मुझे बहुत सारे सवाल सुनने पड़ते हैं।